So today I'm going to try and get the Alcantara steering wheel all cleaned up on my rather dirty 370Z Nismo. So everybody wants a lovely Alcantara and leather style steering wheel, but one thing they don't tell you is that they get grubby and dirty and horrible very quickly. So to give you an example here, this is what it should look like, but if you neglect cleaning it, it looks a bit more like this, and it starts getting this leathery, sort of sticky, disgusting way, and it should really look like that. So a quick rundown as to how easy it is to clean something like this. So all you're going to really need is some sort of upholstery cleaner, preferably water-based. You don't want to get the whole reason that the Alcantara gets this disgusting is all the chemicals in your hands and all the oils. Microfiber cloth and a little nail brush, preferably one that doesn't have very firm bristles. I'm sure the missus will be very happy with me taking this for the bathroom, but I did clean it first. We don't want under nail gunk going into my steering wheel. So the first thing you want to do, take your microfiber cloth, give it a little scoosh. I'm probably going to get my legs all disgustingly wet now, but give it a wee scoosh. So now what you want to do with your wet wipe microfiber cloth is just give your Alcantara a good wipe down, and you'll see there's parts just like this here. And if we'd rub that with the solution in the microfiber cloth, this is a bit disgusting, but if you look really closely, it's all disgusting and brown and stuff. That's all dead skin for your hands. Ugh, that's horrible. So yeah, and you just want to continue that same method all the way around the wheel. So that's me rubbed down the entire wheel, and I've got this disgusting black gunky crap that's come off of it. And now it's just simply grab your little brush and just get started. Brushing down the Alcantara. You can see in the parts that we've rubbed down now, it's getting a bit fluffier, but it's still a bit sticky and gunky. And this is just really going to get all the sort of dry stuff I was showing you earlier off and really fluff up the Alcantara. So as you can see, by just firmly rubbing bits and pieces of the Alcantara, you see it really starting to fluff up, just like that, looking much better. And that's pretty much it. I'll give you a little update once this is completely done. And now, all fluffy black Alcantara, no longer browny, sweaty, icky stuff on it. And yeah, it's as simple as that. I was quite surprised myself giving this a go. And it is exactly the same method on suede seats, which will be the next thing I need to clean in this car.